Hello, this is Brian Bracken. I'm going to show you how to get this product for free, and that's the Rapid Profit Machine. So let's go ahead and try to do that right now. Go in here and look at that right there. Yes, I want the free RPM system right now. So that's basically all you have to do. Click on it and away you go. So notice here it shows free. I'm just going to put in your name. And then I'm going to click Get Access. Notice now it's actually processing. Bang, there we have it. Make up a username and so forth. And I'm going to make a password and click Create and go Update. Now it goes through its OTOs. Now I'm just going to show you the OTOs here. I'm not going to click on any of them because at this point I'm just showing you how to get the free part. So click here, no thanks, don't need proven traffic methods, no thanks, and I'm just going to go through all the no thanks right now. And here we go. And let's sign into the back and take a look and see what it looks like. This is my first time looking at it myself. And here we go. We've got affiliate information, etc. So we're going to learn quite a bit, join the private group, click here to the next step. They have special offers, obviously. They have the different OTOs and offers that they will have. Then also they have, different types of funnels, leads, members, etc. So there's a number of things here. Some of them will be paid and some will be free, but this is the free one. So go ahead, click the link that's either above, below, beside this video, and if you want to try it out, hey, it's free. There's no obligation to purchase anything. You can check it out, see how it will work for you. All right then, have a great day, and hopefully you'll be making profit with this Rapid Profit Machine. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon so that you'll be notified about other things that'll be coming up in the future.